Look around you, the world hums with a silent, invisible intelligence. We call it artificial intelligence, or AI, but what is it really? Think of it not as a walking, talking robot from a movie. Instead, picture it as a new kind of mind, one born from code and data. It's a system designed to learn to reason and to solve problems. It sees patterns that our human eyes might miss. It processes information at speeds we can barely comprehend. This is not science fiction. This is the reality we are building, day by day, line of code by line of code. It is humanity's next great tool, an extension of our own curiosity. This new intelligence is not something to fear. It is something to understand. AI is already a quiet companion in your daily life. It lives inside the device you likely hold in your hand. When you ask your phone for the weather, an AI deciphers your spoken words and fetches the answer. When you type a message, an AI predicts the next word you want to use, making communication faster and smoother. Whether you're driving your car or taking public transport, AI is your co-pilot. Navigation apps use AI to analyze real-time traffic data from thousands of other users. They calculate the fastest route, predict your arrival time, and dynamically reroute you to avoid a sudden traffic jam. Even your entertainment is curated by this silent intelligence. An AI has been paying attention. It learns your taste based on what you watch, listen to, and even what you skip. It's a personalized media universe, crafted just for you by an algorithm that seeks to understand your preferences. Look at the photos you take. Today, the AI in your phone's camera does much of the heavy lifting. It identifies faces and smiles, ensuring everyone is in focus. It adjusts the lighting and color in real time to capture the perfect shot, even in a dimly lit room. These are sophisticated computational photography techniques, all happening in the fraction of a second. AI is the unseen artist helping us capture our memories. The human body is a universe of complexity. Within each of us are trillions of cells, all working in a delicate, intricate dance. Understanding and healing this universe is one of humanity's greatest challenges. Now, we have a new partner in this quest: artificial intelligence. It can analyze medical images, like X-rays, CT scans, MRIs, with a level of detail and speed that can surpass the human eye. It can spot the faint early signs of diseases like cancer, flagging them for a doctor's review. Think about the process of discovering new medicines. Scientists must test millions of chemical compounds to find just one that might work against a specific disease. AI is accelerating this process dramatically. By analyzing vast databases of biological and chemical information, AI can predict which molecules are most likely to be effective drug candidates. It can simulate how a potential drug will interact with proteins in the body, potentially bringing life-saving treatments to patients years sooner than was previously possible. We are not all the same. Our unique genetic makeup means we respond differently to diseases and treatments. AI can analyze a person's genetic data, lifestyle, and medical history to predict their risk for certain conditions and help doctors choose the most effective treatment plan. Wearable devices constantly collect data about our bodies, turning our own body's data into actionable knowledge. Humanity has always been driven by the urge to explore, to venture into the unknown. From the deepest oceans to the farthest reaches of space, this quest pushes the limits of our technology and our courage. Consider the rovers we send to explore Mars. Direct real-time control is impossible due to communication delay. So, they must have autonomy. AI gives them that freedom, allowing them to navigate the rocky Martian terrain, identify interesting rock formations, and make decisions on their own to achieve their scientific goals. Back on Earth, AI is making some of our most dangerous jobs much safer. Think of inspecting critical infrastructure like bridges, power lines, pipelines. The AI can scan the drone's video feed, automatically identifying cracks, corrosion, or other signs of wear and tear that might be invisible to a human observer from a distance. The same principle applies to disaster response. When an earthquake, hurricane, or wildfire strikes, the first hours are critical. AI can rapidly analyze satellite imagery, map the extent of damage, identify blocked roads, and pinpoint destroyed buildings. This provides first responders with a real-time operational map, allowing them to direct resources where needed most urgently. Even in agriculture, AI is cultivating a safer and more sustainable future. Drones and sensors collect information about soil health, water levels, and pest presence. An AI system analyzes this data and controls automated systems to deliver precise amounts of water, fertilizer, or pesticide exactly where needed. This reduces waste, minimizes environmental impact, and helps ensure stable food supply while making farming more productive. For centuries, the model of education has been largely the same. One teacher addressing a room full of students. But we all learn differently. We have different strengths, different weaknesses, and we learn at our own pace. AI is poised to revolutionize this model, ushering in an era of truly personalized learning. Imagine an AI tutor that adapts to each student's individual learning style. It can identify when a student is struggling with a concept and provide targeted exercises and explanations until the idea clicks. Conversely, it can challenge students who are excelling. Creativity is often seen as a uniquely human spark, but what if AI could be a new kind of muse? Artists, musicians, and writers are beginning to use AI as a collaborative tool. A musician might use an AI to generate a new melody or complex harmony. A graphic designer could use an AI to rapidly create dozens of variations of a logo concept. These AI tools are not the creators themselves. They are instruments, like a new kind of synthesizer or a new color of paint. AI is also breaking down barriers to knowledge and culture. For someone who is blind, AI-powered apps can describe the world around them, reading text on a sign, identifying a friend who just walked into the room. For someone trying to communicate in a foreign country, AI provides real-time translation, turning a smartphone into a universal translator. It is a powerful force for accessibility, helping to level the playing field, and making the world's vast library of knowledge more available to everyone. Think of a historian sifting through centuries of digitized texts. An AI can scan millions of pages in seconds, identifying connections and patterns that would take a human a lifetime to find. AI acts as a powerful research assistant, freeing up human experts to ask the big questions, interpret findings, and make new discoveries. With any powerful new technology, its arrival is accompanied by profound questions and significant challenges. One of the most discussed challenges is the future of work. As AI and automation get more capable, routine jobs will change or disappear, like the industrial and computer revolutions before it. Our task isn't to stop progress, it's to adapt. That means education and retraining. Prepare the next generation. Prepare the current workforce. Jobs will reward skills AI can't copy. Creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, complex problem solving. Commit to lifelong learning. Invest in human capital so benefits are shared. Another critical concern, privacy. AI runs on our data, search histories, locations, conversations, habits. Who owns this data and how it's used? We need clear, robust rules. Trust requires responsible, transparent systems. Digital age ethics. A new social contract for our data. Finally, bias. AI learns from biased data and can amplify prejudice. Example, hiring systems trained on past data may discriminate. Building fair, ethical AI is a major technical and social challenge. It needs careful data curation, rigorous testing, and a commitment to equitable systems. Use AI to overcome human biases, not encode them. The challenges are real, and we must address them with care and collaboration. But we must not let our caution overshadow the incredible opportunities that lie ahead. We stand at the shore of a new cosmic ocean. The potential of artificial intelligence stretches out before us, vast and filled with promise. The story of humanity is a story of tool builders, problem solvers, dreamers who looked at the horizon and saw not an end, but a beginning. AI is the most powerful tool we have ever created. Imagine a future where AI helps us cure diseases that have plagued humanity for centuries. A future where it helps us manage our planet's resources with perfect efficiency, ensuring a sustainable world for generations to come. A future where personalized education is available to every child on Earth, regardless of where they are born. A future where scientific discovery accelerates at an unimaginable rate, unlocking the secrets of the universe, from the quantum realm to the farthest galaxies. The future with AI will not be one of humans versus machines. It will be one of humans with machines. It will be a future of collaboration, where our intelligence is amplified and our creativity is unleashed. We will be the architects, the ethicists, the dreamers. AI will be our partner in discovery, our co-pilot in exploration, and our assistant in building a better world. The most exciting chapters of the human story are not those that have already been written. They are the ones we are about to write, together with the new minds we have created. The universe is full of mysteries, and we are a curious species. The future is not something that simply happens to us, it is something we build. And with AI as our partner, the future we can build is brighter than we can yet imagine.